Hi guys, this is Ayush again. So this lecture is about personal interview. The interview which is taken on the third day. So in the personal interview, you would first of all let's discuss the dress code. So in the dress code, make sure for boys pant and shirt, tie if it's there it's good, not there nothing matters. Don't carry your watch because there is a habit to look at your watch again and again, which is not good. So don't take your watch. Make it a point. For girls, it's also the same: formals, trousers and shirt, and bellies. So for men, make sure your shoes are well polished and your belt, and have a clean shave. Don't keep beard like me. So just have a clean shave. I had a clean shave at that time. So you will be called. You have to wait outside the cabin from where your interview is to be taken. Then once you greet him, then go to your seat and and stand there until and unless the officer says have a seat. Till then stand there and do take your documents also, like your certificates, your mark sheets. Interview. It can be possible. It is generally in my case there was only one officer, but it can be possible there might be two or three officers. So generally the duration of the personal interview depends on the person. So mean average is 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So don't get panic about it. It is a cool interview. You don't have to panic. Just have self confidence on yourself. So the dress code is clear. Then second, you should be confident. You should be courteous, and you should be attentive. What questions they are asking. So first of all, in my case, the first question they asked was what name you are called by your friends. So I said like I don't have any nickname. So then there are rapid fire question asked. So make sure that you listen properly to what the questions they are asking, and you have to remember and answer them. So my questions were: tell me about yourself, tell me about your family, tell me about your friends, tell me how you spend your day, and tell me about your college, and tell me what you are doing. So like there were 6 questions. So I exactly at that time you are nervous. Don't show your panic. Just speak normally. So I just started the first question about myself. So in the about myself, just make sure that whatever you speak, you speak whatever you have written on your psychological test, your description. So I described myself, then about my family, what my father does, what my mother does, and siblings. Then about my college and what I'm doing, what I'm pursuing. So in the meanwhile, I just forgot that he also said about my friends, what my friends think about me. So I left the question and I moved on. So like how I spent my day. So the next question he came with, so just tell me the full routine. So the pace of his questions were now not rapid fire, they were slow. So it depends on you how you deal with the questions. If you're not normal, that's fine. So the examiner will ask normally the questions. Then the next question they asked me how you spend your day, explain. So I just told him that I went to my college so many hours, then come back, then read something. I have a good habit of reading, so I used to read newspaper and do Google a lot about news reading. So he used to ask me how much you spend on the internet. So I said like I do Facebooking. I was really true. Don't hide anything. If you have a friend and they ask indirectly, they ask you have a very close friend, who's your best friend. So next question he came, so who's your best friend? So I told him about my best friend, and then they asked how many years you have been in association, and any more friend nearby you, are you very close to you. So if you have a girlfriend or something, tell them. It's not wrong, just be truthful to them. They can find out easily. So once the personal questions were over, so then they asked me about my sibling, what are the good points about your sibling, what are the bad qualities you don't like. And the most important question was like they were trying to figure out how much you know your family. So the question they were asked me about, what are the good habits you like about your father, good habits about you like about your mother. So you have to prepare the three good qualities like you like about your mother, and 3 bad qualities that, and don't feel shy. Just tell them frankly, but at the same time don't be too negative in your answers, that you're like criticizing your father or mother. Like father and mother are like epitome for everyone, because of father and mother you get everything. So just tell them that you are really proud what your father and mother have done for you, and just show them that whatever in the past has been done or has done, you are very satisfied. So then again, once the personal questions were over, so then they asked me about my branch. So my branch was mechanical engineering. So they asked me how many interviews have you faced. So I said I have faced only 3 interviews. So then he asked me what about how many companies you appeared in, so why you got rejected. So I was shortlisted for Maruti Suzuki. So I just told them what happened there in my interview. Then again, for the TCS and IT companies, I never sat for it. I told them frankly that I am interested in mechanical engineering. So I just want mechanical engineer. So I was adamant that I will get. So I asked, so what if somehow you don't get placed? So what you will do? So just I was optimistic at then. Sir, I think I will get placed, and moreover I am contacting my alumni base. I have asked them, but they have told me that it is hard to get off campus. So I'm hopeful that companies will come in ahead. So then he said why didn't it was my first time. So he asked me, so why haven't you tried joining the forces earlier in your 12th NDA? Why don't you give NDA and other stuff? So since I had a -3 power in my 12th, so it's no point for NDA. So at the end, if I qualify the exam, then in the SSB I would have been magically rejected. So he said, are you fit for now? Well, yes sir, I know that it is -3.5 and I have my power -3.5. So now I think I gave it a shot because my friends motivated me that you should try. And frankly speaking, I was literally more motivated because one or two friends encouraged me to go give it a shot. Maybe you may not get selected, but you have experience how the procedure goes through. So then they asked me technical questions. So according to my branch, they first of all a company interview, what is your favorite subject? So my favorite subject was manufacturing processes. So they asked me about my induction furnace. So induction furnace I was good. Then they asked me some more questions like my internship. I had done my internship in a mechanical company, automobile company. So they asked me questions regarding that. And then they asked me what is brake power, what you did there, and how was your work, what was your routine in your company. So this is how was the thing. So they cross-checked whether my mark sheet marks I had 8.5 plus CGPA. So whether my mark sheet records and what I knowledge they match or not. So I gave all the questions answers, but they asked me about refrigeration. So my refrigeration was weak subject. So the question was very simple. So I got panicked. So I gave a wrong answer. So he said, and I don't expect you being a mechanical engineer, you should know about refrigeration. So I admitted it. So sorry, I just mistake. I got puzzled and I got a little nervous. So I'm not able to think about the answer. So I just admitted my mistake. Then they asked me some GK questions. So they asked me, so how many water bodies are surrounding India? So I just told them what are the water bodies surrounding. Then they asked me what's the difference between Gulf and the Bay. They were fluke. I said, sir, I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I took a time in answering. So the typical questions they ask, what are if a god appears, what you will wish for? So I said, I will wish that there's peace all around me. So no, you can't ask such things. You can only ask the wish for something related to your past. You want to get change. So I had a deep attachment with my grandparents. So I asked, I wish them they were back. So then the officers asked me about my grandparents. So who is my good friend at my home. Then after this, he again asked me. So now the genie or the god gives you another wish. So I said, so I don't have another wish. I'm satisfied with my life. He said, the god is standing in front of you and you have to ask. That doesn't happen. So he asked me, what's your second wish? So then again, I gave us some optimistic reply, and I asked I wish my friend would have been in the same branch, same engineering. So my best friend is in commerce, so I wished him in science. So you are being selfish. why you want to disturb his life? So I said like it was genuine. Like when we were in 11th, he was going to take science, but somehow his dad wanted to take commerce, so he took commerce. So he had a business. So now though he's happy in the commerce, but still previously he had a wish to take science. So I wish that it would have been good if he would have taken science. So else he asked me, so you have any questions for me? Anything else? So generally whatever people told me, just said I don't have any questions. I described myself that I'm curious, I want to know things. So I portrayed myself in the same manner. So I just asked him, so like I want to ask why for SSB why the merit is so low, clearing merit. It's 2% generally. So the officer said, see, we look for the qualities. If you have the qualities, no one can stop you from getting recommended. And it all depends on destiny. Sometimes God have a better plan for you. So then the next question was for me. So you have another question for me? So he asked another question. So the other question was, so why the uniform of Navy is white? Like for Air Force, it is blue. Like the sky is blue. For Army, it is khaki color. So because it is for camouflage. But why Navy has white uniform? So he said, no, who said the Navy is white? But sir, all the official ceremonies where I see in the television, the Navy uniform is white, but ocean is not white. So I said, okay, but we don't have one uniform, you should find it yourself. The most important point in my interview that he asked, like, how is the travel? Like, I was from North, I am from UP, so I traveled to Visakhapatnam. So he asked me about my journey. So my journey was quite interesting. So like I traveled all alone from my home to the Visakhapatnam. So he said, so what you saw in between, so how you interacted, how you spent the time in the train. I frankly told them each and every bit truly. Like in the train I met one soldier, Navy soldier, and one wife of a Navy sailor. So I had a good interaction with them. Moreover, I frankly told them that I had a book for Navy. So I also went through that book. So be frank. Like if you have gone through a book, just tell them you have gone from a book, and do remember the title of the book or author, because they know everything. So it was a good point, because from that point he got to know me, that what I told them, that I have good interpersonal skills, I'm curious, I'm diligent. So whatever in my behavior, whatever in my journey, I spoke to them. So I think they found what I'm speaking, what I'm writing, and what I'm telling about myself, that it's true. So then he said thank you. So I just stood up and went to the seat and took my transcripts. So please do carry a file for transcripts. I had a folder. So I have to open the folder and gave him the transcripts. So, and of course when he says thank you, just also greet him, thank you sir. And go straight, have a straight position, body position, you should be confident. So the points you should remember, like some guys have sweaty hands, like when the officer moves his hand in front of you, wants to shake your hand, a firm grip, shook your hand. And moreover, some people they ask that if you don't get selected on SSB, what you do? So just be frank, like if you have second B option, tell them. But some people say like, we will be trying our best for SSB and I'm sure I will get selected. It's personal choice. So no answer is right or wrong. The only thing is you should be truthful. You should not try to move here and there, because so be natural, be frank to them. No point is it. If you are spending 2 hours in a day in a Facebook, just tell them. Being true is the most positive point in the forces, and how much you know self and how much you know family. Wish you all the best. Write all the comments or any queries you have. Please post them. Next video I would be posting about GTO and how to give a lecture rate and what happens on the physical day tasks. So I think wish you all the best.